Today I'm sharing a different recipe. It's not a foodie recipe, but it is something my girls absolutely love. We're making slime using only 3 ingredients. To make slime at home, you'll need clear glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. In a mixing bowl, combine clear glue. We're using Elmer's glue. At this moment, if you like, add some color using food coloring. Mix that in. Next, sprinkle some baking soda over the top and stir that in. After it's all mixed in, add contact lens solution. I find that Costco brand contact lens solution is the best for making slime. Not sure why, but the texture, it makes slime so much better than other contact lens solutions. Anyways, after you mix it should be sticky. So you kind of have to knead it with your hands. And after that, after a few minutes, it should look like stretchy slime. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you ever make slime with your kids, please tag us. We would love to see it. Also, check out munchkintime.com for more recipes like this and more foodie recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.